How to reset password on blockchain.com. Now, if you happen to have a password and then you forgot it of your blockchain.com account, right? And then you would like to reset the password, well, it's fairly simple for us to do so. First of all, you launch the blockchain.com app, and this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. It will give you your wallet ID and so on, and it will ask you to enter your password. But let us assume that you forgot your password. Tap on the option that says forgot password. As you can see right here, it will take you to the next page where you can go ahead and then verify a couple of information. So just tap on this forgot password button, enter the email address that is associated with your blockchain.com account, then tap on the continue button. Now it will ask you to check your inbox, so we're going to go ahead and then open up our mailbox to see if we've received an email from blockchain. So here you can see it says recover your account, so tap on that email. And when you tap on this link that says start account recovery, it will take you to the new page where you can choose a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you'll be able to reset your blockchain.com password. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.